guys, it's me, Mahmoud. Sorry. So I'm gonna be telling you how to. Upload, how to get Air Shou. So, cow. Okay, sorry about that. Ignore that. Okay, so all you wanna do is go to Safari or Google or whatever you have. You go to. I'm gonna show you two. You could go to you could just go like Air Shou. You could just go to Air Shou like that. Press go. Or you could do emulators. Okay, so I'm just gonna Air Shou. Download page is emulators. And I think it's only emulators. Wait. Whoa.
Is that actually real?
There's an advertisement. It's someone's. Huh. Whoa, that's just creepy. Okay. This advertisement was the weirdest thing. So all you need to go is go to Air Shou. Write Air Shou, do download page emulators. After, it's not gonna show this. It's because I already downloaded. Yeah, it's gonna show this. So you'll press. It says it'll be install. So you install, and well, after all you need to go is you have to go when you press it, when it's done downloading, it's gonna say you're not trusted. So you have to go over here, go to settings. You could go to get this. You don't need to, but if you don't have that and you don't want to get it, this is the way. All you need to go is like this. You have to go to general. You have to go all the way down. Go to device management. If you have if you don't have the new update, it's gonna just say profile. But I have the new update, so it just says device management. Device. It'll tell you the name of it. So that's the name of mine. You can do delete app. Well, over here it's not gonna say delete app. It's gonna say trust it. Trust. So you're just gonna need to trust it, and boom, you're done. But